splash. Is everyone excited?
Yeah!
Yeah, excited. Let's get soaking. You excited, Cass?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Pretty good fun. It's moving quite fast, isn't it? Here we go. Oh, it'll jump straight away. Woo! Oh, coal mine. Nice little waterfall. Got a bit of theming around here. Looks really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Bit of rock work.
If they put high there, like the Chessington one.
Is it? I think it's better themed than Chessington, you know?
Yes, I think that.
Yeah.
Be a tiny one.
It's quite a fast moving flume. I do like a good log flume.
Yes, that's just so nice.
They're good, aren't they? Dead relaxing. Especially on a day like today where it's nice and sunny. I think we're going to get wet though. There we go, we're going into there. There's the Texas grill. I think it is going to be a one-drop special, you know. Straight up here, straight down. There is another log flume for us to go on as well. What's out there? Let's go! Hey! Here we go! Woo! I'm fully soaked!
No!
Casper, are you drenched?
No!
Oh God!
No!
Absolute soaker! Goodness me! Oh, we need to go find somewhere to dry off. That's river splash, and he certainly did get splashed on the river.